Welcome to Homeidea channel. Today we're exploring a stunning architectural gem on Mexico's southwest coast, Casa Alegría in Zicatela, Oaxaca. Nestled within Puerto Escondido's vibrant conurbation, this vacation rental epitomizes relaxation and luxury, perfectly blended with the natural beauty and cultural charm of the region. Join us as we dive into the captivating story behind Casa Alegría, a residence designed to be an oasis of tranquility and a celebration of its breathtaking surroundings. Casa Alegría is situated near this iconic beach, designed to harmonize with its dynamic environment. The client's vision was clear: to create a sanctuary of rest and leisure that captures the essence of Zicatela's vibrant and serene atmosphere. The architectural design of Casa Alegría is a beautiful fusion of Mediterranean style and local vernacular elements. The design emphasizes openness and a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. With 3 levels connected by both interior and exterior staircases, the house is a masterpiece of free-flowing spaces. The ground floor features a central hub with a kitchen, dining area, and a pool, surrounded by a desert garden with endemic Oaxaca cacti. On the first floor, a large terrace and 3 sea-facing rooms provide stunning views, each framed by expansive windows. The top floor is dedicated to the master bedroom, crowned by a striking double-height palapa roof. This unique roofing not only offers shade but also reduces the interior temperature by up to 3 degrees Celsius, enhancing comfort and energy efficiency. One of the most remarkable features of Casa Alegría is its thoughtful use of materials. The residence predominantly uses white finishes, which contrast beautifully with warm tones from local vegetation and reclaimed wood. New local Perote wood, known for its durability, is used in the palapa structure, while reclaimed wood from the Isthmus of Tehuantepec graces the main and secondary doors. This blend of new and reclaimed materials fosters a deep connection with the region's heritage. The interior is adorned with local textiles, complemented by Moroccan elements like trunks and nightstands, creating a harmonious and unique aesthetic. Casa Alegría stands out for its commitment to sustainability. Active systems such as interconnected solar panels ensure energy efficiency, while the palapa roof significantly reduced thermal impact. Passive strategies, including strategic ventilation and space orientation, maintain a cool atmosphere and minimize reliance on air conditioning. The use of certified and reclaimed woods further enhances the project's eco-friendly credentials. The impact of Casa Alegría extends beyond its walls. Its completion has inspired local residents to enhance their own homes and improve architectural standards within the community. This transformation has not only elevated the neighborhood's aesthetic, but also fostered a spirit of continuous improvement, reflecting the positive influence of Casa Alegría on its surroundings. Casa Alegría is more than just a vacation rental. It's a testament to innovative design, environmental sustainability, and community impact. It embodies the essence of Zicatela, offering a unique sanctuary for relaxation and a deep connection with its cultural and natural environment. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Casa Alegría. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more architectural wonders and travel inspirations. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.